Express, non-stop to Vernon, Indiana. I'll be coming through in a minute to check your tickets and to punch them. If we find anybody on this train that does not have a ticket, when we get to Vernon, we will stop the train and turn around and bring you straight back to North Vernon.
Well, you don't have to hold on to that if you don't have a ticket. He's going to boot you off the train. Hey, you don't want to put your ticket?
Maybe go for it. That's all right. She's got it. She can have it.
Here we go, folks. Now goodbye.
Here, look. You want to see out the window?
Hello, goodbye.
Don't you want to see out the window? Here.
I saw you guys walking to the train, didn't I?
All traffic stops, so you can't have the road.
I got to take a picture of Trina.
How are you? Colin, you want some snow?
Wave to everybody.
Thank you.
I took a picture of Santa. Look.
Full time.
Please. Look, here comes Santa.
There's Santa Claus. This is now. We're riding on the Polar Express. The instructor is now coming to get our tickets. If we do not have a ticket, we are getting kicked off the train.
Whatever.
Snow. Isn't that exciting? Yes. We go all out on expensive these days. Thank you. Tickets, please. And lots of snow on this one. Hey! Tickets, please.
You on it? You on it? There you go.
Now Santa Claus is approaching my kids. I do not know how they're going to act.
He's trying to find that one day.
Lots of snow.
That'll be up there. Hold up.
It's Santa. He's going to bring you presents. He brings you presents. Hey, you want to say hi to him?
Over here.
Say hi.
Say hi. Try, I guess.
Look out the window.
That happens a lot.
Yeah. He'll probably run after you. Did you get a picture of Santa?
Rocking on the rails.
I got video of Santa.
I gotta get a picture of it all together outside. You're getting in it. Outside. You wanna go look outside? Fine.
Look outside, Gil. Look outside.
Can I go look outside? Look.
You told me today.
Oh, get up. How lazy he is.
The train ride is now about an hour ride, so I'm going to conclude that this is the last of the video.
Now crossing Greenberg.